Do you need your Windows product key but don't know where to look? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy method to find it, whether you are using Command Prompt or PowerShell. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to quickly find your Windows product key using the command prompt in PowerShell, we are first going to start with the command prompt. So to open the command prompt, we are going to click on the search and then we type cmd. So now we are going to run command prompt with admin privilege. So we are going to click on run as administrator. And then we click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So now at the command prompt, you are going to type this command, okay, wmic path software licensing service, okay, space get, then capital OA3X, and then original product key. Okay, so this is the command to find the product key in the command prompt. So I'm going to press on the enter key, and now we have the product key for the Windows 11 I'm using. Okay, so this is the product key for the Windows 11 I'm using. Okay, so now we are going to use the PowerShell to find the product key as well. So when we are done, we'll compare the product key for the command prompt and the PowerShell to see if it's the same. So let me minimize the command prompt, and now to open the PowerShell, we are going to click on the search and then we type PowerShell. Okay, so now we are going to run the PowerShell with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator, then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So the PowerShell command, I'm going to use the command which I've saved. Okay, I'm going to select the command and copy it. Okay, so I'm going to paste it in the PowerShell, then I will enter from the keyboard. So you see, this is the product key as well. Okay, so now we are going to compare the product key in the PowerShell and then the command prompt to see if it's the same. So let me open my command prompt and then we compare the product key. Okay, so 7v7n4, you see at the PowerShell we have 7v7n4 and the last key is kd7yp. okay, the same thing as the command prompt. Okay, so this is the quick way to find your product key using the command prompt and then the PowerShell. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Now you know exactly how to find your Windows product key anytime you need it. Okay, please, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.